In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in a document using some simple steps. Whether you're preparing a report, organizing your notes, or just aiming to emphasize information, knowing how to highlight efficiently can make your documentation stand out and be more effective. First things first, you'll need to select the text you want to highlight. To do this, click at the beginning of the text you want to highlight. Then hold down the mouse button and drag over the text. This part may seem straightforward, but getting a precise selection is essential. Make sure that you have selected exactly the piece of text you need. Anything more or less can impact how your document looks. A tip here is to take a moment to review the selected text once you've lifted your mouse button. After selecting your text, navigate your attention to the top of your application window. There, you'll see what's known as the ribbon, which is a strip of tool icons running horizontally across the top. From the various tabs available, click on the one that says Home. The Home tab is your primary location for most text formatting options, so it's an important place to become familiar with as you work more with text documents. Now, with the Home tab open, look for the Font group. This is an area where you'll find all sorts of tools related to how your text appears, including typeface, size, bolding, and of course, our focus today, the highlight feature. Search for the text highlight color button within this group. It will look like a highlighter icon, a visual cue to help you zero in on it quickly. With your text selected and the text highlight color button located, it's time to click on it. When you click, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu showcases a variety of colors you can use to highlight your text. Here's where you get to add a personal touch and select the color that works best for your document's style or the specific emphasis you want to give. Choose a highlight color that contrasts well with your text color to ensure readability. Once you have selected your preferred color, you'll notice that your selected text is now highlighted with the color you chose. This instant transformation helps visually separate important sections from the rest of your document. Take a moment to glance over your highlighted text to ensure it's precisely how you want it. If not, you can easily repeat these steps to make adjustments. Highlighting text might seem like a minor detail, but it can significantly enhance the clarity and focus of your documents. By mastering this simple tool, you will make your documents not only more visually appealing, but also more effective in conveying your message. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and happy highlighting!